Today we discuss about herbarium and significance of herbarium. So here this is herbarium and this is blank sheet of herbarium. So herbarium is a storehouse of plant materials with valuable data mentioned on their labels. The material in the herbarium remains as permanent record of flora of those regions, even the natural topography and the vegetation have changed or extinct. In these, the herbarium provides evidence of what once existed. The herbarium specimens bear labels with adequate data on habitat, common name, native uses, ecological notes like frequency and abundance of species, associated plants, habit, etc. This type of data for the particular species but from different collections of different regions, when carefully studied and analyzed, provides valuable material for almost complete description of various taxonomic characters such as morphological range of variation, distribution, etc. A herbarium receives fresh material by collection of its stock through gifts, exchanges, etc. So, it is a conservatory of material and data. The first herbarium of world has founded in 1545 in the University of Padua, Italy. In the world, there are about 1,500 recognized herbaria, besides many smaller herbaria with institutions, universities, pharmacies, etc. Some important herbaria of the world and India are listed. So here this is the list. Okay. Herbarium collection of dried plant specimens mounted on sheets of paper. The plants are usually collected in situ. In situ means where they were growing in nature. Identified by experts, pressed and then carefully mounted to archival paper in such a way that all major morphological characteristics are visible, that is, both sides of the leaves and the floral structures. And then the mounted plants are labeled with their proper scientific names. The name of the collector and usually information about where they were collected and how they grew and general observations. The specimens are commonly filled in cases according to families and genera and are available for ready reference. So once again, look at this herbarium sheet, how it is mounted on a herbarium sheet. On the right side, details given of this particular plant. These are the centers in international. Royal Botanical Garden, Kew in London, Year of found in 1853. Number of sheets 6500. Likewise, these are the herbarium center in the world. Now, in India, important Indian herbaria preservative centers. National Botanical Garden Lucknow, LAD Botanical Garden Darjeeling, Royal Botanical Garden Calcutta, Forest Research Institute Dehradun, Madras Herbarium Agricultural College and Research Institute Coimbatore, Herbarium of the Division of Botany, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi. These are the few important Indian herbaria centers in which herbaria are preserved. Now, these are the significance of herbarium. Why we are preserved of these herbarium. Here, there is a list of significance. It provides valuable data and material, help in all kinds of taxonomic research. It aids in assessment of conservation status of a taxon. It acts as an aid in taxonomical research. It serves as a fundamental resource of identification of almost all plants of country and even world, as source of estimation of global biodiversity. It is a baseline for data on distribution and abundance of keystone species. It helps in distributional range and population biological studies. The specimen tag carries all the information about habitat, local name, flower, color, etc. of plant specimen for further botanical, ethnobotanical, phytogeographical studies, etc. It may be useful as source of material for anatomy, palynology, cytotaxonomy, biochemistry, pharmacognosy, etc. Studies. Herbarium serves as an aid in teaching plant taxonomy. It may provide seeds of extinct plant species for further studies. Thank you.